All-electric homes with electric vehicle charging can easily rack up energy use over 54,000 kilowatt-hours a year, which is way higher than your typical house. So, here's the deal. If you've got an all-electric home and you're charging an electric vehicle at home, your energy use is going to spike, no doubt. First off, try to charge your EV during off-peak hours when electricity is cheaper and less in demand. This can save you some serious cash. Also, make sure your appliances are energy efficient. Those big electric ovens, dryers, and heating systems can suck up a ton of juice if they're old or inefficient. Using smart thermostats to control heating and cooling can help keep your energy use in check without making your place uncomfortable. Don't forget to unplug stuff when you're not using it, because vampire loads add up faster than you think. If you can, install solar panels to offset some of that load, and maybe even get some credits from your utility company. Another tip is to regularly maintain your electric vehicle charger and home electrical system so they're working efficiently. Finally, keep track of your monthly energy bills and usage patterns so you know if something spikes suddenly and can fix it fast. One of the biggest issues with all-electric homes and EV charging is not planning your electrical capacity properly, which can lead to overloads or higher bills. Fix that by consulting an electrician before upgrading your home. Another mistake is ignoring energy-efficient appliances, which can make your usage skyrocket. Swapping out old gear for Energy Star-rated versions really helps. Lastly, many people forget about scheduling their EV charging during off-peak hours, missing out on cheaper rates and adding unnecessary strain on the grid. Using a timer or smart charger can fix this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about all-electric home setups and EV chargers. Plus, it helps contractors get the right jobs by connecting them with people who need expert work done on their homes.